A'udzubillahi minasyaitonirrajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Rabbi zidni ilma warzuqni fahma. A'udzubillahi minasyaitonirrajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Allahu akbar, Allahu akbar, Allahu akbar, Allahu akbar. Asyhadu an la ilaha illallah. Asyhadu an la ilaha illallah. Asyhadu anna Muhammadar Rasulullah. Asyhadu anna Muhammadar Rasulullah. Hayya 'alas shalah, hayya 'alas shalah, hayya 'alal falah, hayya 'alal falah. Allahu akbar, Allahu akbar. La ilaha illallah, la ilaha illallah Muhammadur Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. A'udzubillahi minasyaitonirrajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Allahumma rabba hadhihi ad-da'wati tammah salatil qa'imah ati sayyidina Muhammadan alladhi wasilata wal fadilah wa bashu maqama mahmud alladhi wa'dah innaka latukhliful mi'ad. A'udzu billahi minasyaitonir rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillah, ya Allah. Honey, I have just finished performing Maghrib prayer caller directly from the most luxurious mosque or masjid in universe, located in my bedroom. One room I transformed to be laboratory, to be mosque or masjid, to be my office. So, alhamdulillah, today is Friday, 8 April 2022. Reporting to you also, especially to Princess Titita, Princess Tabi, my two only legal maternal super daughters, who I designed their intelligent talent, potential, and body size. The current project of me with this digital Islamic prayer style, digital Maghrib prayer style invented by me, special edition. Actually, no obligation for me to perform azan or perform salat because today is the 6th day of my period day. But no obligation is cannot be ignored or neglected to remind kids that God time has come. So now I'm gonna tell them, but actually they are breaking fast, sedang berbuka puasa. Auzubillahiminasyaitonirrajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillah sayang, dah azan buka puasa sayang. Mami datang bulan hari ke-6. Love you Mia, will come to meet you soon. Love you. Alhamdulillah. My children are breaking fasting. Alhamdulillah. Gonna fix more. This is the class of organizing total universe system. Alhamdulillah. Subhanallah. Just now the snacks look is over there. Now I'm gonna show you here. This is also reporting to you the current progress of my current project entitled Seeding from Princess Hajja Birgita Girana Vladimirovich Master of Science seedling from bedroom. This time from my room. Subhanallah. The butterfly factor is there. Subhanallah. What time now? The current Local time is 6:47 a.m. Yes, evening. It is still evening. Gonna be totally dark soon. Look at the butterflies moving, playing alone. Another one is over here. Inside the media plant, one butterfly also moving. Look at, yes, inside the media plant. Yes, outside media plant, butterfly. Yeah, they are they are flying, they are playing together happily. Yes, 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 yes. Yeah, like that. Learning forever forgot me. Working forever forgot me. Subhanallah. They are happy, they are beautiful, butterfly, they all having genetic of me. New superior genetic of Princess Haja Birgitta Girara Vladimirovich, Master of Science from Bard, Kingdom of Plant and Kingdom of Animal, are successfully created under God permit. And also with this project, entire sitting from bedroom, my bedroom, also successfully created many types of mosaic. Mosaic is type of wall accessories. Subhanallah. We'll take picture of them later. Like what this, candidate of butterfly in snake look. Take closer look at them. I zoom them for you. Yes, it is like that. Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar. La ilaha illallah, Allahu Akbar. How about the neighbor? The neighbor is over there. Let's take a look at the neighbor for a while. Allahu Akbar walillahil hamd. Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar. Спасибо за все, прости меня за все. Пока. Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar. La ilaha illallah, Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar walillahil hamd. There are many. They are Muslim or animal. Also Muslim. Over there, neighbor, over there. Subhanallah, they are close to each other. Subhanallah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar. Neighbor, La ilaha illallah, Allahu Akbar. Ramadan, ya Ramadan, happy Ramadan.